The 2025 Ford F-150 Lobo is a new street-style version of America's top-selling pickup. It features a lower, more aggressive stance and goes on sale now, with deliveries expected in fall 2025. It follows the smaller Maverick Lobo and may signal similar versions for other Ford trucks and SUVs. Powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine. The F-150 Lobo delivers 400 horsepower and 410 pound-foot of torque through a 10-speed automatic transmission and standard four-wheel drive. It offers a towing capacity of 7,900 pounds and a payload of 1,450 pounds. The truck stands out with a lowered rear suspension, 22-inch gloss black wheels, and exclusive styling features like black hood vents, unique grille and headlights, a full-width LED light bar, and black Ford badges. It also includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a tow hitch. The Lobo package adds $4,695 to the STX trim, bringing the total to $57,800 plus a $2,195 destination charge. It is built at Ford's Rouge plant in Dearborn. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.